Hi Cooking Cronies, Diana here. Today I made a big pot of beans. I put it in the slow cooker early this morning. It was 1 pound of pinto beans and I just let them cook all day. Well, by the time afternoon came and the beans were done, I didn't feel like having pinto beans for dinner. So I had a 3-pound roll of ground beef. It was the 80-20. I cut it in half and just used half of it. And I decided to make chili beans. So I know a lot of the recipes call for kidney beans, but we're not a kidney bean kind of family. So I made it with pinto beans, 1.5 pounds of 80-20 ground beef, a half of a large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and let's see, what else? 1/4 of a cup of chili powder, about 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, salt and pepper to taste. And I just cooked all this in my skillet. Once the meat was brown and the onions were translucent, then I added my pint of homemade or home canned tomatoes. There was a video on that earlier this summer of me canning tomatoes. So a pint of canned tomatoes, and then an equal parts of water, and I put that all in the skillet and let that come to a boil. Then I got a big Dutch oven and I put probably 3/4 of the beans with their juice in the big Dutch oven, and then I poured the meat mixture in there and I'm letting it simmer, and this will be our dinner this evening. So I hope you enjoy the pictures that go with it and you try it. It's a no-fail recipe. Great with Fritos and cheese. That's how we like to eat it. We do like to have grilled cheese sandwiches with our Chili Con Carne, or whatever you want to call it. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. Hope you're staying safe. It's a great meal for cold days, and we're having one here in Colorado. So take care and God bless.